Welcome to another state product demonstration. In this video, we will be learning the approved product demonstration for UVP 1000, a versatile repair patch. Remember, always rehearse product demonstrations thoroughly before performing them in front of clients, and always wear your personal protective equipment. For this demonstration, you will need the UVP demo kit, product number 119098. To begin your demonstration, unpack the UVP demo box. Lay out the 4 pieces in the following order: the packaged UVP, hardened flat UVP, rolled hardened UVP, and the UVP pipe. Start by handing your client the uncured packaged UVP. Encourage them to feel how flexible it is and discuss our special bonding adhesive. Next, hand your client the hardened flat UVP to have them see what the cured product feels like. For the next piece, set the rolled UVP on the floor and rock back and forth on it with your foot. Make sure the client has a clear view of this portion of the demonstration. Finally, hand the UVP pipe to the client and instruct them to look inside and see that the UVP patch is holding together 2 pieces of pipe. Have them try and snap it in half, which they won't be able to do. At this point, you can discuss pricing and case size offerings. Repackage the demonstration materials in the provided box for use in the next UVP demonstration. You have successfully completed the UVP demonstration.